Gemini, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental ailments, physical illness is at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is I am light. You are the torch. You are the lighthouse. You are the leader. You are showing not by words, but you're showing by example. And everyone, once you show by example, it proves that it can be done. And people mimic you. There's so many people watching you right now. So many people in your classroom, your student body, your assembly, your community that is watching you, Gemini, and they're mimicking and they're following you outside of their wilderness as you show the path outside the wilderness, from the darkness to the light, to positivity, to creation. I always have hope because you always win. You're the genius and the wise woman, wise man of the universe. No matter the ordeal, I have faith to stay consistent for a better future. I turn darkness into light. As long as you keep working on, there's no way that the dark can outshine your light. I open my heart to others and God, and I'm spiritually strong. I draw light to me and I shine with all my being for the rest to be able to follow, for a great example. Love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself. I love you too.